Welcome. In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and in this video I will show you how to fix the issues related to mobile data on this phone. So the first thing that you can do is toggle the mobile data in the quick settings menu. So swipe it down from the top of your screen, then turn your mobile data off, then wait a moment, turn it on again and see if it helped. And if it didn't, then you can go to the settings, and in the settings select your select network and internet, then SIMs, and open your SIM card settings, and then go to the access point names, tap the three-dot icon in the bottom top right corner of the screen, select reset to default, and after resetting APNs, check if it helped with your network issues. Now after that, if this didn't help, then you can check if your SIM card is properly installed. So let's remove the SIM card carefully. Open this port using a pin, and now check if your SIM card is inserted this way. Also make sure that it's properly set inside so it doesn't fall out of there. Then reinsert it again carefully into your device, and then check if this helped. And the next step, if your mobile data still doesn't work or doesn't work properly, then try to restart your phone or toggle airplane mode first. So to toggle airplane mode, you have to open the quick settings again like this and find the airplane mode on the list. It's on the second tab for me. I guess it is for you too if you didn't change it, the quick settings menu. So turn on the airplane mode, then turn it off, and then check if this helped with your mobile data. If it didn't, restart your phone by holding down the power key and the volume up button for a second like this, then select restart and wait until your phone is rebooted. And after your phone reboots, give it some time to reload, and then check if this helped you with solving your problem. And then as the last resort, you can go to the settings again, open system settings, go to reset options, like right here, and then select reset mobile network settings. Click reset and confirm, click reset again, and after that check if your network mobile network improved. But if it didn't, then in such case you have to contact your carrier to verify your data plan. And for this video, that will be all. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.